Welcome back, guys. Today, Matthew and Dad, we're going to be playing SCP BLOOP. And that guy just moved me. Did you see that? I was just standing, minding my own business, and that guy moved me. And the monster's right behind us, Matthew. We got to shoot it. We got to shoot it.
Like our pistols.
Yes, yes. I wonder if I go inside of him, I can kill him inside. Oh, no. I fell. I fell. What am I doing down here?
We got a badge.
So did I. Are we even doing any damage to it? What are you doing down there? Oh, this. Oh, wait. What? There's another one. Wait, I'm dying. Am I dying? Oh, I died. I died. Apparently, we can't breathe underwater. Did you know that? I didn't know that.
Daddy, you had the mask.
I did, but it wasn't really doing anything. I kept dying. So where? Oh my God! Look, where you at? Oh wait, you're not even with me. Okay, there's another one right in the entrance. I died.
I'm shooting it right now.
Matthew. Guess what I have?
Copy.
Yes, sir. Oh, that's hot. Okay, anyway, let's get back to business here. We're gonna be wrecking these nerds.
Wait. What happened to me? Daddy, what happened to me? Daddy, what happened to me?
What happened to what?
What happened to my snowman?
You removed your hat? Is that what you did?
Yeah, I didn't think I did. Okay.
A new sea creature. What? We haven't even killed the first one yet. You know what? I'm gonna get in a boat. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get in a boat.
Oh my gosh!
Are you ready, buddy? Are you ready? We have to get in a boat. Where's our boats? Oh, right here. Perfect. Let's go. Ah! Why? What happened to the boats? Okay. I'm on a boat. How do I make it go down? How do I make it go down? Oh, here we go. I'm on a boat.
I'm swimming up.
Alright, you see me? Look behind you. Oh, right there. Yeah, get in the boat. Yeah, let's go. You ready? Let's go destroy these things. Oh my God, this is hard. So hard to drive. Oh, this is so hard to drive. Okay, I got it. I figured out the instructions. Hurry, Matthew. Shoot him. Oh, take that. Oh, those guys are even worse. That snake-looking thing. Oh my God, the boat moves so crazy. Oh, we got this. Oh, are we even doing any damage to it? I don't see any numbers or anything. I'm just shooting. Are we doing something? I think we're killing them. I'm pretty sure we're killing it. Oh yeah, for sure we're killing it. Let's go. Where's the other one at? Where's the other SCP? Oh, it's down there. Oh, we did? Nice.
Yeah,
we're so good.
It's oh, never mind. It's still alive.
It's still alive. Look at this guy. Shoot him in his butt. Yeah, auto click to victory. Oh wait, yeah, I see it. It's down there. Look, check it out. You see him?
Kill this toe.
New sea creature will occur in 11 seconds. Oh, that is great. You know what? Let's go over here. Let's go. Hey, I wonder if there's a hidden treasure up in this island. Let's go check it out. Ugh. Is there a hidden treasure?
Hey, hold shift to run. Mosasaurus!
Mosses. Oh, look, there's. Oh.
I thought they were extinct.
Apparently. Ow, my leggies broke. Oh, there's a person in here. What's up, bro?
Daddy, you can teleport to here.
Oh, you can. Oh, what can? Wait, what? What is this thing? Matthew, what is this? Oh, you didn't help me. I died. You said bye, and you just left me. He's. Oh, I died again. What is that creature? There's a ginormous head.
That's a thing from a game. That if you don't look at it, it follows you.
Matthew, I know how to beat this guy. Look, are you ready? Charge! Did you see him? Did you see me?
Dead.
I almost killed it.
I died.
Oh, you died too?
Daddy, look, I finally have a snowman back.
Oh yeah, snowmans are cool. Maybe that's why you were losing, because you lost your snowman. But now that you have it back, you might... Oh, we did it. We contained an SCP. Dude, let's climb to the very top of this big ship. I'm gonna go climb. Where you at? You ready? Come over here. Come follow me. Follow me, Matthew. I'll never steer you away. What happened? Oh, it's following us. Ah, it's fine. He can't get us. VIP. Oh wait, we can climb up here. Let's go this way.
It says I would have liked to buy 505 Robux.
Let's go.
No.
Oh, I can't climb.
I would not like to buy Robux.
Where are we at? Oh, there you are. What's up? What's up here? Is there anything special up here? A new sea creature, the Kraken.
Daddy, come. Daddy.
Where?
In there.
Oh, in here? Oh, what happened? Oh, sir, are you okay? Let me shoot you for good health. Nope, it's not working. He's not coming back. Oh, wait, why is there an arrow here? Oh, I'm alive.
What is that?
I don't know. Let's go back in. Come, follow me, Matthew. It's fun.
Nice.
It is really fun.
You can go kill some monsters.
Yeah, you just jump. You just jump out of there. Oh, I'm stuck.
Water.
Matthew.
Daddy.
I have a big problem.
In the water.
And I'm stuck in the wall. My head is stuck.
You're dead.
Well, this is fun. I guess I just gotta.
You're so dead.
I gotta kill myself. There, I had to kill myself. I couldn't do anything. I was stuck.
Yeah, you're like so dead.
Wow, something just got munched on. Oh,
No.
Kraken, dude. Let's go fight. What? Did you see that guy? That Kraken jumped in the air. Like if it was a bird. Oh, you take that damage.
I'm hitting the Kraken.
I know, I need to give myself a boat. So I can
Daddy, I'm hitting the Kraken. Tentacles. Take that. Take the hit.
I'm gonna go destroy it. I'm gonna go destroy who wants to jump with me on this boat. Tiny boat. I'm pretty sure this tiny boat is very resilient. Oh, we did it! We killed it! We're so good! Oh, there's the boop!
Boopy, boopy, boopy.
Take that, boop.
Boopy, boopy, boopy. Alright, why do these have health?
I don't know. Take that, boop! Let's fight the Mesosaurus. Oh, take that, dude. Oh, ow! Ow! I'm alive. I'm not alive. Oh,
You
flip.
got another badge.
Oh, yeah, me too. I got the badge of death. I died.
I'm dead.
Wait, what? Where did I teleport to? Oh, I teleported back to where that SCP was. I'm gonna explore in here. Let's explore in here. See what we find. I know there's a SCP-173 over there. I definitely don't want to go over there. He's gonna... Oh!
What?
He killed me again. He teleports. I didn't know he teleported.
You have to look at them.
I'm pretty sure I was looking at him. Maybe not. I don't remember. Alright, I'm looking at him. I'm looking at you. Oh, he still killed me.
Okay, then.
I'm looking at him.
Oh my god! Daddy?
Yeah.
Did you see that?
What? No, I didn't. What the? Look what's in our boat.
Daddy.
Yeah.
This BLOOP attacked a boat and it just winged up into the air.
Is that what happened?
Yeah.
That's insanity. Look right now.
Look, the boat upside down. Right there. Look at him. There,
Oh,
look.
I see it. Yeah. Ah! It's coming straight for you. Snake, worm, thing.
Snake.
I died.
Oh,
You died too. Oh, here we go. What's up? Where you at? What in the world? You take that, boop. What? Kraken.
Kraken. Take that. Oh my god.
Dude, that Kraken spins around like a Ferris wheel. It's insane.
Daddy, we can't become monsters.
We can become monsters?
No.
Oh, man, that would have been cool if we could.
Daddy, I'm there.
You're here? All right, dude, come on, follow me. Look, there's way more stuff that you can see over here. I got my key card ready just in case. I don't know what it does, but look, there's a monster in there. You see him? He's freaky. What's up, bro? He must like that wall.
I'm not going in there.
Okay, I'll go in here. Come here. Yeah. Okay, it doesn't even pay attention to me. Where'd you go? Hey, Matt.
Daddy.
Yeah. Oh, come over here. Come over here on this side. I don't know what's over here. I think that. What is that thing? Oh, that's nothing. Oh, that's an egg, dude. Right? I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm getting eaten. Something's eating me. Ah! 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 I'm dead.
Where am I stuck?
Did you get close to it too?
Oh.
Ah, I hear the munching happening.
Oh.
You're getting munched on, aren't you? Oh, yep. I just came and I saw your untimely death. I'm gonna go start investigating. I'll let you know what's down here.
And then I come next.
All right, sounds good. Ooh, there. Oh my god, there's a Shrek. There's a Shrek.
Shark?
Shrek. The green thing. The green thing. Shrek.
Shrek?
I'm gonna open the gate. Do you wanna come before I open the gate? Or...
No.
Alright, I'm doing it. I got my gun ready. Shrek! Oh! I died!
Megalodon shark.
Hey, by the way, I got an achievement after Shrek killed me.
By the way, I died by Megalodon.
All he did was just scream at me, and I died. Very interesting. Very interesting.
No, don't run.
You know what? You know what? I'm tired of these. We're not. Whoa! Did you see that? He sent me flying. You know what? I ain't scared of you. I ain't scared of you. I got eaten again.
Daddy, sent me flying all the way to the ocean.
You know what? You know what? I ain't afraid of.
Daddy,
Boop.
Daddy,
Boop.
Daddy.
More like poop. Dead.
I'm pretty sure he didn't like the way that I called him poop.
Oh, that's what he is. He's a little poop. I mean, big one. Take that. Dead again.
I'm pretty sure he's not a poop.
Alright, I died again. Yeah, I definitely can defeat him. I tried. But maybe the Kraken. Where is it? Oh, he's gone. Oh, he's back. He spawns on this side. Yeah, bring it on, bro. Bring it on, nerd. Oh, what is he? A Ferris wheel? What's going on? Oh, you will never take me alive. No, he took me dead. I'm dead. That guy's way too strong. What in the world? Why do I keep hearing crunching noises?
Guys, those are people dying.
Oh, that's right, from that SCP from the building. Oh, they're fighting, and I'm gonna fight you too. Dead again.
Daddy, wait, Daddy, are the Kraken and BLOOP fighting?
I don't think so. I think just because I was there and I am super tasty, they were like, oh, I want some of that, and then they just, they both ate me.
Did you see that?
I did, and I'm pretty sure my story is 100% accurate.
Look, they're actually fighting.
I know. Look, I'm on a boat. Feel my pain.
Daddy,
I'm killing him.
Daddy, looks like you're actually fighting.
I'm killing him, Matthew. Don't worry.
Daddy, the BLOOP. He's on.
Oh no!
Ship.
Oh, I flipped. I flipped again.
I'm at the boost. I'm dead.
Oh no! I am so stuck right now. I gotta flip. By
Daddy, my legs bent.
Don't worry, buddy. I got it. Take that.
That's how dead I was.
Oh yeah, take that. Oh, did you see that? I just sent him flying, dude.
Isn't like the Megalodon the strongest shark in the world?
I don't know. I don't know, actually. I'm not 100% sure. I think the Massasaurus might be strong. Actually, no, I take it back. It's the BOOP. What in the world? Look at this thing. Oh, I got caught. Oh, I got caught. Oh, I'm caught.
You're so dead.
Oh, I'm caught. Help me,
Daddy, Daddy, he's slowly eating you.
Matthew, help me. Matthew, help me. Help me.
I can't.
Help me.
Dead. Daddy, I sacrificed myself.
Oh, no. I'm getting eaten by two of them.
Daddy, sacrificed myself.
No, Matthew. It's so cold, Matthew. It's so cold.
died together.
Yay, we died together. All right, that's it for today, guys. Definitely leave a like and subscribe if you like this type of content. We're just mainly play Roblox, and the game of today we played was SCP Boop, as Matthew likes to call him, Mr. Poop. Right? That's what you call him.
No, that's what you did.
No, I'm pretty sure that's how you call. Oh wait, we're moving. We're moving. I'm not ready. Let me get in. Okay, I'm in. Are you in the boat too, or did you fall off? Oh, there's. Oh wait, there's a standard rifle. What is it? Can you get the rifle? No, you can't. Okay, no, you can't.
What standard?
Oh no, this just says there's a label that says a standard rifle, but I don't think you can. Oh, I died. I just died. That's amazing. Perfect. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.